Vlogs are going to be set up different. So this week we're at the beach house and we just woke up. It's Josh's birthday. I have some surprises for him. And we're going to take the dogs for a walk. Oh my gosh, all these turtle tracks. So here's where the tracks turn around. She didn't like. His family is barely making it. He's so tired. He's done. There's the birthday boy. Stanley got his wish. He made it back.
Chilling out where you'd sit with a drink and your feet in the breeze. It's great. Nice work, Island Detective. Go to where your drinks are colder than your best dad jokes. It's cool, it's crisp, and your next surprise is chilling there. You remember that one fun game. You're totally crushing this. Totally. And a gift.
Waving is so epic.
What'd you get? Ooh, I like this color.
Settle down until everybody's back to shore.